In this video, we'll learn how to remove gel nail polish. We will be using pure acetone because it offers the most effective way to remove gel nail polish at home. For this tutorial, we'll need pure acetone, Vaseline, cotton, aluminum foil or plastic clips, nail file, and a wooden stick. The first step is to remove the shine off of the gel nail. You can do this either with a buffing block or a nail file. Be very careful not to overfile because we do not want the buffing or the filing to reach your natural nail. You basically want to just remove the shine and a little bit of the bulk so the acetone can penetrate through all the layers of polish a bit better. Before we start the soaking process, apply a little bit of Vaseline to the cuticle area. This will protect your skin since we will be soaking in acetone. The soaking off process can be done in multiple ways. One way to do the soak off method is to saturate a cotton ball with acetone, place it on the nail, and secure it with a plastic clip. Another way to do this is the same with a cotton ball, but you're going to secure it with aluminum foil instead of the plastic clip. The third method is to simply dip your fingers in acetone. For this example, I used a small container for one finger, but for your removal, you can grab a bowl that fits all 5 fingers. You're now going to soak your nails for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the timer is up, most gel should be flaking off the nail. Use the wooden stick to help remove the gel from the nail if there's anything that's not easily coming off. However, don't do this too aggressively because we don't want to damage the natural nail. If after using the wooden stick you still have some stubborn pieces of gel left on the nail, just repeat the soaking process again. Never use the wooden stick or any other type of cuticle pusher too aggressively on your natural nail because this can cause damage. Keep in mind that not all gels remove the same way. Here are some factors that influence how easy the gel flakes off. The quality of the gel, because some gels are more stubborn than others. How long you've been wearing the gel manicure, because older manicures are typically harder to remove. What removal method you go with. Direct soaking in acetone in a bowl is the faster and more effective method, followed by the cotton and aluminum foil, and followed by the cotton and clips. Regardless of what method you go with, please make sure to be patient and gentle with the gel removal process. We want to cause minimal stress to the natural nail so they can remain healthy and beautiful.